Hi, Ben here from Benz Softwash, and in this short little video I'm going to show you how to use Benz Softwash products to rescue clean this decking. This decking has got dangerously slippy from the amount of algae grown on it, and we're going to use Lightning Cleanze to instantly clean off the algae, give a rinse down, and then apply some Cleanze to give some longevity to the clean.
So after spraying the Lightning Cleanze, we let it sit there for about 30 minutes. Then we got a soft brush and we brushed it all in to agitate it, and we left it for another 30 minutes. After this time, it had already cured the problem and it was no longer slippy underfoot. So we gave it a light pressure wash and then applied the Cleanze. You can see here how it is already dramatically cleaner, and here now you can see a few days later it is even better again.
There we have it. The decking is now completely rescued and is not slippy anymore. Thanks for watching. I hope that's been useful, and get those deckings clean.